morning everybody, welcome to another video. Thanks for clicking on it. Today we're out running and hey, why not? Let's have a little bit of an urban adventure. How am I going to do that? I'll find out in a moment. How is that? That house there has two hovercrafts. So in that very essence of that conversation, the idea of today's urban adventure is to go running along roads and places that I've never been, just so you can find some bizarre and new things. It's good for the brain, it's healthy, and it's just fun to see new things. So trying to run down as many new roads as possible whilst also heading in one direction and getting a good workout or easy run in, more so to the point. That's also the point. It's an easy run today, so there's no pressure, no nothing to get certain pace, distance or whatever. Just go out here, have fun, and you'd think you're in Belarus if you looked at this house here. By the looks of these places, you think you're in the middle of the countryside. We're only about 7 kilometers from Helsinki city centre, and here where I live. And look, there's old wooden mansions and such around. And that's the beauty of things, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. Let's wipe the lens. Okay, and here's that. You don't have to go far to explore and get new experiences. And I forget that myself. And normally we always travel to abroad destinations, Spain, Turkey, Monaco. I don't know why I'm saying Monaco, but we go far and wide. And the funny thing is, right on our doorstep, we have things that we've never seen and never been along. So I would encourage you, go outside and just go somewhere that you go walk down a road that you've never been down. The thing is about Helsinki and its houses is there's such a diversity, and I have insinuated it before, but you've got very flat houses, very kind of like, I guess, double houses, 2-story houses. And the thing is that they're like wooden, brick. There's such a variety of different types of houses, and it's pretty funny to see, because normally you go somewhere and they're very heavily influenced of what industry is around there, or I guess the climate. And in England there's a lot of brick houses with bad insulation. Here in Finland they have good insulation, but they have a wide variety. Look, double, single, and the wooden, well, I guess that shed there is wooden. There you go, just around the corner to prove my point. Look at this house here. So what I'm doing is, every time I think I recognize a road or something, like just there, I recognize that road, I'm going the opposite direction. So this road here, I have no clue. So that's my way of navigating. If I don't know it, then I'm just going to follow it. The rain has started to come down. Oh, it's just so, I don't know why, but I love running in the rain. I love doing sports in the rain in general. It's I think it stems down from playing football, soccer when I was a child, and it was always so much more fun to slide around in the mud. And well, no sliding around whilst I'm running, but there's just something amazing about running in the rain. What is your favorite weather to run in? I might even say the rain. Some of you might be a little bit shocked, I don't know. The rain is super nice. Obviously, to be well dressed and prepared for it and not be in shorts and a t-shirt and it gets super cold. Oh, we're here. The other benefit to this is you might find better places to do some certain specific types of training. For example, here, I've just found this hill that runs from all the way down there to here. So I need to do some shorter hill repeats. Hey, I just found this. And as you can tell, I'm not in hill repeats mode or fitness at the moment. Okay, enough playing. I think this is an abandoned school. A little bit creepy, I guess. There you go, that is the run done. So just under 10 kilometers, 1 hour, absolutely beautiful. What did I learn from this experience? Well, adventure is right on my very doorstep. Wherever you are as well, there's an adventure out there waiting for you. You just need to take that step and you need to just go out and discover. So that'd be my key takeaway. What else did I learn? When you go running on new roads and everything, time just flies. Your mind wanders and you don't think about things and you don't overthink, oh, am I running too quick or everything. Super nice to just be out there and just let your mind kind of completely meditate and relax. That's what running is a perfect form of. So thanks for watching the video, really do appreciate it. Hope you got some value from it. Leave a comment if you've got any questions down below, and have a great day, morning, night, whenever you're watching this.